So I started a challenge February, and it was to turn $20 to $2,000, and by the end of the first week, the balance of the account currently sits at $170. You can see the screenshot right here, and this is so crazy because a lot of people were so surprised. I got so much comment like, how did you do this on TikTok? And even my Telegram people reaching out to me. By the way, make sure you're in my free Telegram channel. I posted every single trade signals. A lot of people made money. You can see this person right here. Also, this person right here passed his challenge accounts and is now funded with Maven Profit account, all with my signal. So make sure you're in the channel. Let's go to family. So this video, I'm going to be basically talking about the psychology around it, and also how I was able to turn $20 to $170 in a week without gambling the account. That's why I say join my Telegram. You will see no trade was gambled. All of them good risks. I did not risk more than $6, while at that $20 point, the first trade was a loss. The second trade I risked $5, and that second trade made me $70 using just 0.01. You can see the trade right here while running. So I really wanted to make this video so much better, but my laptop is not good right now, and I don't want to fix it because the problem is I don't really like the laptop. I want to buy a new one, but the one I want to buy is very costly, so I'm going to chill a little bit. I need to like fix some other things, so you all will have to just bear with me because right now the videos won't be that good because there's no laptop, you understand? So this challenge, right, the psychology to it was actually just simple. I put the $20 in the account. I said, okay, everybody, I'm about to start the challenge. And you know, there's a different feeling when you want to do that privately, and when you've come out to the open and say, you guys, I want to do a challenge. You know, it's a whole, like, it's a different thing, because now there are people actually looking, okay, this guy is trying to flip this thing. If you lose, maybe people may laugh, you don't know how to trade. But even if I lost the account, I already had the mindset that I don't care about what people think, because trading is not always good. I could have deposited in the account and entered the losing streak, and that losing streak would have blown the $20. Good for me, I deposited, and this first week was every day I took a winning trade, back to back 5 wins, took the account to 170. So the psychology behind it was just me willing to risk and me not giving a let me not talk for YouTubers problem with me not caring about what the people think if I don't get to complete the challenge or if I lose it. So even if I end up still losing the account, you understand, I don't really mind, because the psychology is, you know, you're a good trader. You don't need validation from other people that you're a good trader, right? You know what you can do and make money consistently and profitable. So that's just it. And so also, like, I don't really want to make this video that long. So like, since I don't want to make the video that long, what I'm going to be doing is throughout the week I'm going to be posting trade breakdowns of all the trades I took. Mostly the good trades, the ones with like very high RRT, significant trades, right? I don't really be posting everything because I also be posting other content. But you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single video in this challenge. The trade breakdowns, it is going to be fire, trust me. And so help me God, I get to pass this challenge, take you all the way to 2K. I might possibly do a giveaway, so you all should stay tuned and just, you know, follow up on the challenge. Join my Telegram, and you can also check me out on TikTok, here on YouTube. I'll basically be posting like summary videos at weekends, how the week went. But TikTok, I post like day-to-day wins. My Telegram, all the trades are there, right? So this is like the first challenge I'm doing like openly. Normally I've done challenges with my own self, but this one is like, you know, trying to show people that you can do some things. This account now, I did not gamble it, I did not full margin it, trying to show you can actually grow. Yes, not every time it works. That's why I say you need to come into it with the right mindset, accepting that you can lose it. Even at the first try, it doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It just means that you did not, or it just means that that was not a good time for you in the market. You were not seeing your wins, but the wins always come, right? So basically, let's go and summarize. Let me not go off. Let's summarize the account. So I'm going to like play like a couple of clips of the whole week, you know, because like I said, this video would have been a whole lot better if I had my laptop, or I want to buy a new one, right? So let me just go ahead. I'll play a couple of clips, like basically all the trades I took so far on the account, from $20 to now that we're at $170, right? So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and remember, subscribe, like, join my free Telegram, join the family, and yeah, let's go. So before I actually get into showing like the clips and the trades of the whole week that made me drew the $20 to 170. I said, okay, let me just break down the final trade of the week. This was a trade we took yesterday on Friday. You can see the screenshot I'm going to drop by the left. I actually dropped this trade signal on the channel, and a lot of people made money off this trade, right? So I'm going to go ahead. I want to make this really short, you feel me, so the video will not be long. So let me start by marking or pointing out the fact that there was liquidity actually used to take this trade. It was an aspect of liquidity I used. So you can see here, the first thing you're looking at is a trend line, right? You're looking like a trend line. You may think it is only a trend line. Actually, the setup wasn't really a trend line. I would say like it was a symmetrical angle, right? Symmetrical angle, and you can see that price had actually tapped here. It tapped the above 1, it tapped it 2, and it came down. And now what actually made me want to buy? A lot of people will be like, okay, this broke, it broke this low, so that's the lower low, blah blah and all that. But see, that is why I said learn how to mark your major highs and lows. Listen to me, major highs and lows. Go to my old video. I have a video on marking out your major highs and lows. Watch that video. Now in this trend, this is the major low. Price is nowhere near it. So what do I consider this? I consider this a minor break of structure, and I also consider this an inducement. Why? Because a lot of people that thought market was going to keep buying, most of their stop losses were here. This is a support zone for people to buy from. Double bottom. There are still traders that trade double bottoms, right? And what happened here is some of them bought from here, maybe we're holding all the way. Let me bring this down a little bit. If maybe some of them bought from this double bottom and we're holding all the way here, you see that market has come back, stopped them out. And what did he do? I mean, this happened in the night. Look at the time. You see, this was like around 9:30, 8 o'clock, 9:30, and I don't trade past 5-6 p.m. unless I'm really holding a trade, right? So I missed this, and you can see what happened. This is a breaker block. You can see the line I drew out. Market actually went, tapped my breaker block, right? This is the breaker block. Now if you want to actually see a full video explaining, because I don't think I've actually made a video on breakers, just let me know in the comment and I'll actually do a video on breaker blocks. So I missed the first entry with the breaker block. What did I do? I marked out this trend line or this symmetrical triangle, and I saw price come back, test it. I know liquidity has been swept. My POI initially was the breaker block, but I couldn't actually take it because I was past my hours of trading. So what did I do? I took the trade off the other POI, which was the trend line for me. A lot of you guys don't believe in trend lines. That's up to you. Works for me cleanly. So you can see this trade going to full take profits. 1 to 8 risk reward, made about $58 on the $20 challenge, and there you have it. Simple, easy trade breakdown on BTC. Now let me show you all the other trades I took this week. So if you guys enjoyed the videos, you saw that I actually trade like all these trades, manage risks, and what really puts me up was that dope BTC trade that moved like 7,000 pips, crazy, made $70, 0.01. So you actually see what I was saying. I wasn't just talking, right? You can see it. Yeah, I guess that's the end of this video, and stay tuned for next week. Throughout the week, look out for trade breakdowns. Comment if there's anything you want to know more, want me to explain, and I will surely answer your comment. And I will see you all in the next video. Love.